There was a recent disaster in Mumbai where we saw that the speedboat of Indian Navy it crashed into a ferry boat. So the concerns related to the tourism includes one is the problem of overcrowding. Then there is it was seen out of this incident that there was lack of adequate life jackets available on the ferry boat itself. Then we see that there have been complaints also being filed by the ferry operators regarding the Navy's speed boats. So there is no speed limit on which these speed boats would be operating. And here in terms of tourism, we see that around that region where we have the gateway of Mumbai, where we see that Elephanta Island, there's high tourism demand for that, which is also a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and is believed that date back to 5th and 6th century AD. It reflects it is having both Hindu and Buddhist caves there. So one is overcrowding the carrying capacity of the tourist and the operation or even the pilot projects, even if any something is being tested by Indian Navy also. So what is going to be the right location for that? And proper like training of even the people when it comes to the survival basic survival skills and the role of coast guard. So we saw that the Central Industrial Security Force CSF, patrol boat and the Jawaharlal Nehru Port Trust Authority's pilot boat were the first to reach the spot. And another challenge, it was believed that because it was an accident, so there was oil spillage also, that also became kind of a hindrance in terms of saving the people. So, what are we doing in terms of disaster preparedness for such types of disasters?